Okay, so I've got the fork bits that are missing. I have all that on order now, so that's going to take a few days to arrive, especially with the long weekend. The carbs, the diaphragms and stuff, I've ordered all that. Actually, I've ordered a full kit to rebuild it. So next I think I'll tackle the exhaust and see what condition that's in. What I'll do is I'll take two pipes off, and I'll take the box and I'll put the box into the blasting cabinet. I'll blast that, I'll paint that up, and I'll clean up, I'll polish up these pipes. Last is this cover. That's not going to be easy. It's actually really difficult to get these boxes. You can see someone has already been repairing this. Just a little weld there. And these guys aren't going to be easy to come off. So this cover is going to be problematic. The other side of it is actually gone. There. So I might have to weld something in there. That's okay. Possible to get these boxes. Not sure what I'll use. I might use an impact screwdriver. See how that works out for me. Okay, so that's an impact screwdriver. It has a left and a right, so I wanna take it off, so I have it on the left. You put it in. And you give it a good whack with a hammer. I have to upgrade my hammer in a second. No. Try a bigger hammer. Not doing anything either. That's not going to be very good. I'm going to have to drill it and weld it. Right, so I was gearing up to get this thing cleaned up, but I'm just looking at it here. Well, I could weld something anywhere around here. To weld here, it's, well, as you see, it's gone past welding already at this stage. I'd have to chop it and put a new piece in. It's kind of beyond repair at this stage, so I'm going to say goodbye to the exhaust. and I'm just going to clean the pipes, the header pipes, and see if I can find something else to replace this. Yeah, this is just pointless. There's no point spending an hour now blasting this just to come to the same conclusion. So we'll say goodbye to the exhaust and add it to the shopping list. Okay, so I'm going to clean the downpipes. They should come up pretty well. My brother did this the other week on his CBR 600. And it came up very well. Oh. I'm hoping for the same result. You see, it's eating it all away, so now the Harpic I'm using is the original one. You're supposed to use, I think he was saying the 10 times one is the one that he used. But sure, look, this is only 5 times the strength. But you can see there, look, it's coming up really well. Looks like his advice was actually really good. This is the Harpic I'm using. He used the 10 times one, so I don't know, obviously it must work a little bit faster or better. I only have the 5 times one. So I'm going to try this one and see how that works. But look, it is cleaning them up nicely. And some parts. Let's just get a white, I'll just show you. Look at this. It's looking well. It's looking really well. This one isn't as bad for some reason. So I did this once and I'm going to do it again. I actually put some Harpic into this and it's kind of a little bit abrasive. And it seems to be doing a nice job. As you can see, it's just coming off as you keep rubbing it. So I'll go at it again. But yeah, it's looking great. And it's rubbing all the rust off. So I went at this 3 times and this is the result. Now it's not there yet. I'm going to go at it again and then I'll polish them up. But as you can see, it worked really well. Kind of the last time I used one of these small little wire brushes and just gently rubbed it. I didn't want to scratch the pipes themselves. I know they're very hard, but I didn't want to have kind of scratches or almost like a sanding effect. So yes, so I went at it quite gently. But yeah, look, it's I think that's a success. So the pipes will clean up, and exhaust, I'm going to order a stainless steel exhaust to go with this. So so it'll be nicer. Plus it'll be lighter because this is quite a heavy exhaust. I think the new one I was looking at is just less than 2 kilos. So I don't know how much that weighs, but I'm sure it weighs a lot more than 2 kilo. And it'll finish the bike nicely. Not 100% the look I was going for, but I don't have much choice at the moment. The exhausts aren't available, so the stock ones aren't available. So yeah, and probably very hard to find one that's in half decent condition at this stage. So okay, so I'll order that up, and when it comes, I'll do an assembly video